everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, si Filipino actor. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video kay Vilmark na performance sa The Clash. So without further ado, let's start this. I'm so excited. Ano kayang atake ni Vilmark? Ano kayang kakantahin niya? Wensi. Oh my God, ano kakantahin niya?
Hindi ko in-expect na si Sir Wensi kasi
Si Wensi.
sila na nakita namin na lumabas. And possible na kahit sino doon pwedeng maging kapartner ko. Though kahit sino naman sa kanila, magiging happy ako na makaduet. Pero extra special lang na Sir Wensi pa yung makakaduet ko.
Tinok na kita.
Wensi. Wensi Cornejo. Ano yung kinanta ni Wensi Cornejo na?
I'm sort of familiar na kung ano yung kaya mong gawin, ano yung kaya mong
Nasikat?
na galing. And I really am impressed.
Growing up, kinakanta ko na yung mga kanta niya. And to be sharing the same stage sa Clash Arena, extra special. Kasi favorite song din ng nanay at tatay ko yung Hanggang.
Hanggang? Oh my God.
Kaya nung sinabi sa akin ni Sir Wensi yung mga kaduet ko, totoo ba to?
Ilan taong ka na ba?
I'm 30 po.
Kung smooth ka pa, nung bumas.
Hala, ang ganda ng kakantahin nila.
Bata, matanda, amaturista, lalo na sa
Ama.
mga amaturista. Alam na alam yung song na Hanggang. Kaya
Hanggang kailan, hanggang kailan. Dekada sa 60. Tama?
In all my almost 40 years of singing, I have encountered a lot of really, really fabulous singer. Aminin ko talaga, mahusay ka. Kahit magkamali-mali ka, I'm sure anak, mabibigyan mo ng justice yan.
My God.
thank you so much.
Okay, go. G. Ito na. Round 5 ko na boses-an. Ang ganda ng kantang to.
Ulit mo na itinatanong sa akin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking
Wensi Cornejo never disappoints, no?
Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig
Nice.
sa ating daigdig.
Vibrato.
Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig.
He changes.
Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita.
Vilmark, wow. Hindi lang sila nagsasabay, no?
hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw.
Hanggang sa
Wow.
hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin nang may kapal.
Nang may iniwan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking
Wow. Buong buo, ah.
magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging
Overflowing naman yung emotion. Ganda. Grabe yung emotion. Atake. Oh my God, I just wanna hear the comments. Kung may comments tayong maririnig about sa hindi sila masyado. For me, may mga hindi sila nagsabay.
Grabe, Sir Wensi. Nice one, Bill.
My gosh.
Pero grabe,
Vilmark! Grabe, nakaduet mo ang nag-iisang Wensi Cornejo.
Truths.
To be sharing the same stage with Sir Wensi, sobrang overwhelming nung feeling right now. And
Ay,
sobrang
Healing?
siya yung
Bakit naman healing?
Maraming salamat. Sir Wenz, ako, ask naman kita, ano masabi mo kay Brother Vilmark sa performance niyo dito?
Ayan, alam ni Lani, alam ni Ai, it's Christian, we've been in the industry for such a long time and we very seldom come across talents na talagang susuportahan natin, bibigyan natin ng lahat ng kaya nating ibigay. And I think siguro is one of those kinds of performers, artist, singer. Ang mahusay talaga eh. Wala tayo.
Totoo.
matatawaran.
Mahusay talaga siya actually.
Tawaran ito.
Alright, pakinggan naman natin ang ating Clash
Oh my
panel.
God,
Ano
I
po
just
ang
wanna hear
masasabi
this one.
ninyo?
Alright, Sir Wency, again, thank you so much for being here sa The Clash. We are so honored na nandito kayo with us. Thank you so much. And Vilmark, na-match mo ang energy na binibigay
Tingnan natin
sa
kung
Wency
i-mention.
and yung harmonies nyo, ang ganda, pasok na pasok, swak na swak. And up to now, he's still supporting you from the beginning. Paglabas niya, at here's what a cool duet partner Sir Wency is. Paglabas niya, he was singing with you, he was giving everything he has for you, even telling the audience, "Oy, talaga, let's cheer him,
Pumalak.
let's cheer him."
Yes.
At yun yung nakita ko rin na energy na binigay mo rin kay Sir Wency. Minatch mo yon and it became a beautiful song. So thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Yes, and it's an honor na makita natin na nandito ang ating Pickleball King na si Mr. Pickleball King. Ang ganda ng harmony.
Whimsical King.
Magandang pakinggan.
Pinagsasabi nito.
And hindi na-lose yung identity mo as ikaw, Vilmark. Hindi ka masyadong ninervous kahit napakagaling ni Mr.
True.
Wency. So, yun. Congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Ai. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Wency, for gracing the Clash stage. We are so happy to have you. Vilmark, thank you also for giving all your energy. And what I love about it is, you were able to lift each other up. Nakakatawa, meron kayong mga mutual admiration. You say something positive about him and you do the same to him. So that's what I like about sa duo nyo. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Annie.
Thank you, judges, and
Ito pa
once
sa,
again, maraming
hindi nyo na minention no, na hindi sila nagkasabay. May mga times na hindi sila nagkasabay actually. Anyways, that is all for today's video. Wednesday, Vilmark, I can give it something like 93. 93 siya.